Namaste. In this video, I am going to show how to generate G-code with exact size or dimension. First of all, let's check our document properties. It's A4 paper size, and units are on mm, so it's perfect to start. Let's draw a square and a circle. Let's make the size of square 80 mm and circle 60 mm. Let's align its center. Do group and align to left bottom of page. Before exporting to G-code, we have to set orientation points. For that, go to Extensions, G-code Tools, and Orientation Points. Click on Apply, and close the box. If 0 and 100 of our ruler and arrows of orientation points shows same, it's good to go. Now let's convert our objects into path. For that, go to Path, Object to Path. Now it's ready for G-code, let's export it. Select the path, and go to Extensions, G-code Tools, Path to G-code. From Preferences tab, give file name. For file location, if I want to save inside this folder, right-click on that folder, copy as path, or double-click on that folder and copy address for folder location, and paste that location on directory block. Click on Path to G-code tab and apply. Click OK. Now you can close that panel box. Now let's check our G-code and its size on Universal Gcode Sender. I don't have Universal Gcode Sender, so let's download it. I will put links on the description. Let's unzip that downloaded file. Double-click on that folder, and open UGS platform from bin folder. Now let's open our G-code. You can check, it measures 80 mm by 80 mm. Exact sizes are design. Thank you for the watching.